Unilever's manufacturing operations may only be 3% of the total footprint, but it's a very important 3% because it's what we directly control, and we want our factories to be a beacon for the future.
Here in Europe, all our operations are now sourcing electricity from renewable sources. This amounts into about 220,000 CO2 emission reductions per year. In Canada, Unilever is now the country's largest renewable energy purchaser. As a next step, all operations in the United States will move to renewable power purchases. They will be supplied mostly by wind power.
Buying renewable energy is just one way to reduce our CO2 emissions, but we can achieve a great deal more by reducing our energy consumption through the purchase of new technology and just the small things that everyone can do, like switching off lights, turning off conveyors, saving water. By the end of 2011, we introduced 12 combined heat and power plants, which not only reduced our CO2 emissions by 60,000 tonnes, but also saved 10 million euros in the process. We are also making progress on waste. 74 of our 258 factories are now zero waste to landfill. So a good example of waste reduction would be that of the Marmite process, where the residue waste used to go to landfill. Now that waste is fed into an anaerobic digester, where the microorganisms produce methane gas, which is fed into our boilers, which produces steam and hot water. Now that not only saves us money, reduces CO2, but also makes a lot of bugs very happy. In 2011, we opened 2 new factories. One a deodorant factory in Mexico with its own solar energy, water collection and recycling systems, and a new food factory in South Africa. A new factory in Durban is virtually self-sufficient in water use. 70% of all water used in the factory is recovered and reused. This is supplemented by recycling rainwater that falls on the factory's 22,000 square metre roof. We have set ourselves extremely ambitious targets, but I can see how we can achieve those targets. In some cases, I don't quite know how we're going to do it, but we do believe that through the efforts that we are applying in all of our factories, we will achieve our aims and more.